Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P2128 indicates an issue with the Accelerator Pedal Position APP sensor B, specifically related to its signal being at a high voltage. This sensor is crucial for the Engine Control Unit ECU to interpret the driver's intention regarding throttle input. Located in the accelerator pedal assembly, the APP sensor provides information on the position of the pedal. When the APP sensor experiences high voltage, it can affect the vehicle's performance and safety. Understanding and troubleshooting this fault is essential to ensure proper operation of the throttle control system. The DTC P2128 indicates a malfunction in the APP sensor B due to circuit high voltage. The APP sensor is essential for determining how far the accelerator pedal is pressed, affecting fuel injection and engine performance. This sensor is located within the accelerator pedal assembly, which connects directly to the vehicle's throttle control system. A high voltage signal from the PAPP sensor B signifies that the voltage exceeds normal operating conditions, which can lead to erratic engine performance. Understanding the precise signal ranges and locations of the sensors is integral while diagnosing issues in the electronic throttle control system, assisting the technician in effectively addressing the fault. Several possible causes contribute to the activation of DTC P2128. A faulty APP sensor B might directly influence the high voltage signal by providing incorrect readings due to internal failure. Wiring issues could include open circuits, shorts, or poor insulation, which can create false signals or prevent proper communication with the powertrain control module, PCM. Additionally, poor connections at terminals associated with the APP sensor and the PCM can lead to intermittent failures or erratic performance that generates high voltage readings. Each of these factors must be evaluated during troubleshooting to pinpoint the root cause effectively. Symptoms associated with DTC P2128 may include various observable issues. The check engine light frequently illuminates when this DTC is triggered, notifying the driver that there is a malfunction in the engine management system. Additionally, there may be an erratic throttle response, where acceleration does not correspond as expected to the position of the accelerator pedal. This can lead to a disjointed driving experience, significantly impairing vehicle performance. Drivers may also experience limited engine performance, affecting the ability to accelerate as intended. Understanding these symptoms aids technicians in correlating faulty sensor readings with driver experiences. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2128 involves verifying the problem conditions. Start by turning the vehicle ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, check the APP sensor B parameter. Ensure that the signal output from APP sensor B measures more than 4.0 volts. If the reading aligns with this threshold, it confirms the presence of a fault. However, if the signal does not match, it's indicative of an intermittent failure, which may imply a good system at this moment, but suggests inspecting connections and terminals, as conditions could vary. The second troubleshooting step consists of diagnosing potential failure areas, focusing on the APP sensor itself. Firstly, turn the vehicle ignition to the off/lock position. Then, disconnect the APP sensor 6P connector. Following this, turn the ignition back to the on position while keeping the connector disconnected to prevent any circuit interference. Measure the voltage between test points 1 and 2 on the APP sensor 6P connector. The first test point corresponds to connector number 1, and the second corresponds to connector number 2. If the measurement is approximately 5.0 volts, this indicates that the APP sensor is faulty and should be replaced. If not, proceed to further diagnostics. The final step of troubleshooting focuses on the connectivity of the SG5 wire line. Start by turning the vehicle ignition to the off, lock mode, and jump the SCS line using the HDS. This step effectively sets up a test circuit. Then disconnect the PCM connector A51P. Use a jumper wire to connect terminals A and B. Specifically, connect terminal A from the APP sensor 6P connector number 2 to body ground. After setting up the connections, check for continuity between the test point at the PCM connector A number 47 and body ground. If continuity is confirmed, the SG5 wire is functional. Update the PCM software if the latest version isn't present. If applicable, substituting with a known good PCM should be performed. And if DTC P2128 is resolved through these methods, the troubleshooting is complete. If not, the issue may concern an open wire scenario, demanding repairs in the SG5 wire leading to the APP sensor. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P2128, it's crucial to perform final verification to ensure the issue has been resolved. Begin by using the HDS to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes from the system. Following this, conduct a comprehensive road test of the vehicle to verify that all systems are operating correctly and that there are no lingering issues influencing throttle response or engine performance. After the road test, it's mandatory to recheck for the presence of DTCs using the HDS. Ensuring no codes return confirms that repairs were successful and the vehicle is restored to optimal performance. While preventive maintenance specific to DTC P2128 is not directly mentioned, ensuring the longevity of the APP sensor and related components can prevent future issues. Regular inspections of the APP sensor can help identify signs of wear or damage early. Additionally, maintaining wiring integrity to ensure no fraying or wear occurs is essential, as poor connections can lead to erratic signals. Furthermore, ensuring that the PCM has the latest software is vital, as updates can resolve known issues and enhance overall vehicle performance. Keeping a proactive maintenance schedule can significantly reduce the occurrence of diagnostic trouble codes and improve vehicle reliability. In conclusion, the DTC P2128 highlights an important issue related to the APP sensor B and circuit high voltage. Understanding the nature of this trouble code, including its causes and symptoms, allows for effective troubleshooting. When following the structured troubleshooting steps, technicians can accurately diagnose and resolve the underlying issues, ensuring optimal engine performance and responsiveness. Additionally, implementing preventive maintenance practices can help mitigate similar problems in the future. Regular checks and timely software updates not only enhance performance, but also extend the lifespan of your vehicle's vital components. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!